5 beliefs that keep you from attacking your goals. Everyone has dreams, but not everyone makes their dreams into goals. You may have a few of these too. What are the reasons you tell yourself late at night to put the shutdown on making them a reality? These reasons are beliefs that you have, but that doesn't mean they're valid reasons. 1. Not enough time. Everyone's busy these days. When someone asks, "How are you doing?" you probably respond with, "Busy." But that might not be the truth. Everyone has the same 24 hours in the day. For a week or maybe 2, keep a time ladder of how you spend your time. This includes sleeping, preparing and eating meals, social media, getting ready for work, cleaning your house. Take a good look at how your time is spent, and you might realize you have more time than you realize. 2. I don't have X talent. It doesn't matter if you want to write a book or paint a picture. You have as much talent as you're willing to work for. You may not have been born with the natural ability to paint, but it doesn't mean you can't learn and practice. 3. After X, I will do it. Once I get through this, insert tough project at work, I will start training for that marathon. After I lose 20 pounds, I'll take a salsa dancing class. Why are you waiting? Maybe that marathon training will help you work through the stress of that project at work. Perhaps salsa dancing lessons will allow you to realize that no matter your weight, your body is worthy of fun and sexy movement. If you have a goal, go for it now. 4. I'm not good enough. What ruler are you using to measure your good enough? You are always good enough to go after your own dreams and goals. If this is an internal dialogue, then you need to work on liking and loving yourself first. If this belief is coming from external sources, then consider those sources and if they're holding you back. 5. X person has it easier. The grass is greener where you water it. Walk a mile in someone else's shoes. There are many sayings that sum up that you don't really know what someone else is going through. So don't assume that someone has it easier, and therefore can achieve their goals while you can't. That person may think you have it easier or better. Self-limiting beliefs can be a slippery slope. They can also keep you from even trying to reach your goals. Take time to examine your reasoning and come up with better beliefs to counter the negative ones.